Hello guys, today we are going to see the Black Plague disease. As you already know, it was a big pandemic disease has occurred in a history time. So it probably began in Central Asia and spread to Europe by the late 1340s. The total number of deaths worldwide from the pandemic is estimated at 75 million people have been died. So, the Black Death is estimated to have killed between one-third and two-thirds of European populations. Let's see the types of plague. There are basically two types, bubonic and pneumonic plagues. It is known that the disease which is infected from the rat, so basically the rodents diseases which on bitten by the rat to the human being spreads the disease, that is the deadliest disease. So let's see in the diagram what is bubonic plague is the earliest stages of life cycle of the plague. As you can see, the point number 1, anti, how the larvae, or you can say the major disease. Or so if you look at the diagram, what does it suggest? That Yersinia pest is primarily a rodent pathogen with human being an accidental host when bitten by an infected rat flea. So the flea draws viable Yersinia pestis organism into the intestinal tract. These organisms multiply in the flea and block the flea's proventriculus, that is the gut. When the flea gets its next blood meal, thus transferring the infection to the human host. While growing into the flea, Yersinia pestis loses its capsular layer. Most of the organisms are phagocytosed and killed by the polymorphonuclear leukocytes in the human host. A few bacilli are taken up by the tissue macrophages. These macrophages are unable to kill the Yersinia pestis and provide a protected environment to synthesize their virulence factor. The organism then kills the macrophage and are released into the extracellular environment where they resist phagocytosis by the polymorphs. The Yersinia pestis quickly spreads to the draining lymph nodes, which becomes hot, swollen, tender and hemorrhagic. This gives rise to the characteristics black buse, means that is swollen of the lymphatic nodes. It can be underarms, it can be to the growing region of the human being. So within the hours of initial flea bite, the infections spills out into the bloodstream, leading to the involvement of liver, spleen and lungs. The patient develops a severe bacterial pneumonia, exhaling large number of viable organisms into the air during coughing fits. As you can see that in the diagram at the right hand side, in pneumonic plague disease, that is called pneumonia, usually at these stages the patient experiences severe pneumonia, is heaviness of the chest, and usually the mortality rate here becomes 100%. How a particular person comes to know that he or she might be suffering from any kind of such diseases? So there are certain signs and symptoms through which you can come to know that you are suffering from Black Plague. As in the case of bubonic or lymphatic stages, you just see that in the legs there are some lymphatic nodes must be swollen, that is called swollen inguinal lymph glands on a person's which got infected with a certain kind of swollen lymph glands. So basically this is a bubonic phases. Another symptom that is excruciatingly painful, inflamed regional lymph nodes. You may experience fever, prostrations, headache, and then exposure to rodents. You should avoid basically. You can experience a general malaise, that is a pain in the body, high fever, that is called hyperpraxia, pain or tenderness at the regional lymph nodes, which may enlarge to be called BBOS. As the person already experienced many kind of malaise, so one should get tested their blood sample to the laboratory, get the antibody test, get vaccination. That is one of the preventative measures and curable measures.